Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic piece of technology that can elevate your photography game. We found the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with double zoom lens kit and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, what exactly is the Canon EOS Rebel T7? This camera is a powerful entry-level DSLR designed for beginners who want to explore the world of photography without feeling overwhelmed. With its 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, the T7 captures stunning, high-quality images that are rich in detail and color. This camera comes with a versatile double zoom lens kit, featuring the EFS 18 to 55 mm and EF 75 to 300 mm lenses, making it suitable for a wide range of shooting scenarios. One of the standout features of the T7 is its improved dual-pixel CMOS AF system, which enhances autofocus performance and allows for smooth, precise focusing in both stills and video. Coupled with eye detection AF, the camera ensures your subjects are sharp and in focus, whether you're shooting portraits or action shots. This is especially useful for capturing those fleeting moments, making the T7 an excellent choice for family events, sports, or wildlife photography. The camera also incorporates a 9-point autofocus system, which, while straightforward, does a commendable job in ensuring that your images are sharp. The AI Servo AF feature is particularly beneficial for tracking moving subjects, providing you with the confidence to capture fast-paced action without missing a beat. For those who enjoy shooting video, the Rebel T7 doesn't disappoint. It offers full HD 1080p video capture, allowing you to record high-quality videos with ease. This makes it an appealing option for aspiring filmmakers or content creators looking to produce engaging visual stories. Plus, the optical viewfinder provides approximately 95% viewing coverage, giving you a clear and accurate representation of your scene. Another practical feature of the T7 is its built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. This allows you to easily transfer images to your devices or share them on social media without the need for cables, making it a breeze to showcase your work to friends and family. The camera operates effectively in a temperature range of 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring versatility whether you're shooting in a warm summer park or a cooler indoor environment. Now, who is the Canon EOS Rebel T7 suitable for? This camera is perfect for beginner photographers who are serious about learning and improving their skills. It offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate through settings and functions. The included lenses provide the flexibility to shoot various subjects, from landscapes to portraits, which is ideal for someone just starting their photography journey. Practical use cases for the T7 are endless. If you're a parent wanting to capture those precious moments of your child's milestones, the T7 will deliver stunning photos that you can cherish for years to come. For travel enthusiasts, its lightweight design and versatile lenses make it an excellent companion for exploring new places and documenting your adventures. Additionally, with the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, you can even transform this camera into a high-quality webcam for your online meetings, making it a dual-purpose tool in today's digital age. In summary, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with double zoom lens kit is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to delve into photography. With its impressive features, user-friendly design, and versatility, it's a reliable companion for capturing life's moments, whether big or small. Thanks for watching.